This is a big earnings week with some of your favorite companies reporting, and I know that because you're tweeting them at me. Tracy, is this the best chart? Please tell me. But I'm going to show them to you today, and some of them are on the list. So let's get right to it. First one is one of the stocks that you all tweet at me all the time, Mastercard. It does have just that one miss in early 2014, kind of mars their otherwise perfect record, but everybody overlooks that, of course. Just one miss is not a big deal in the grand scheme of this 5-year chart here, and shares are back to the 5-year high here and look like they want to go higher. So people just love this Mastercard and Visa, which reports later this week. I'll have that chart for you later. But Mastercard is looking real good here. If you're playing the earnings beat or misses, this is one you definitely want to watch. Our second stock is Thermo Fisher. You might not be as familiar with this, but I'm pretty sure I talked about it last quarter too. And they haven't missed in 5 years. The shares are more range bound here, but we get another beat. We'll see where this one goes, but this is definitely one, if you want one with this great track record, you got to keep it on your list too. Our third stock is Under Armour. I know what you're thinking, Under Armour, no, look at how much those shares have sold off, but they're looking kind of attractive here, I think, and they haven't missed in the 5 years, so obviously investors are not playing the miss or the beat here, playing like future guidance and other things, but still, this is definitely one you want to keep watching because it's one of the hot areas, and especially on the retail side, everybody's going to be watching this one. And then for our fourth stock today, I had to do 4 because there's just too many good charts. We had Chubb, ticker CB here. They just had the one miss 2 quarters ago. But a lot of these insurers have real good track records. I know you think they're boring and, oh, insurance, but if you just took out the name and looked at this chart, it's one you should have, bought in 2012. You'd be doing pretty good here. It does look like these shares want to break out higher. So this is definitely one I know a lot of investors will be watching, more on the quiet side than some of the others. As I always keep saying in these videos, just because it beats every quarter doesn't mean it will going forward, but you got to love the track records of these. And if you want to watch more information on the options trade, you can tune in to my colleague Dave Bartosiak. He's covering them all on Zach's Live Trader over on YouTube. So be sure to check in on those over there all this week.